In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your inbox tidy by archiving finished conversations in Messenger without deleting them. If you like to keep your messages organized, archiving is a really useful feature. It lets you remove conversations from your main inbox once you're done with them, while still keeping them available in case you need to look back at something later. That means you can clean up your chat list without losing important information or permanently deleting a message thread. To get started on mobile, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you usually access messages through Facebook instead, you can also go to the chat tab there. Once you're in your messages, look through your conversation list and find the chat you want to clear from the main inbox. This works best for conversations that are finished for now, but might still be useful to reference later, such as old plans, shared details, or previous discussions. When you've found the conversation, press and hold on it for a moment. This opens a menu with more actions you can take for that chat. From that menu, select Archive. As soon as you do that, the conversation will disappear from your main inbox, helping reduce clutter and making your active chats easier to find. It's important to know that archiving is not the same as deleting. When you archive a conversation, it's simply moved out of the main view. The messages are still there, and you can access them again whenever you need to. This makes archiving a great option if you want a cleaner inbox, but don't want to lose anything important. If you want to find your archived conversations later, go back into Messenger and tap the menu icon, which looks like 3 lines. From there, select the archive folder. Inside that folder, you'll see the conversations you previously archived. You can open them anytime to review old messages, check details, or continue the conversation if needed. Using archive regularly is a simple habit that can make a big difference, especially if you have a lot of chats piling up. It helps you stay focused on current conversations while still keeping older ones safely stored for future reference. That's all it takes to keep your Messenger inbox cleaner and more manageable using the archive feature.